Hey there, food lovers! Imagine the smell of nutmeg, cinnamon, and vanilla wafting through your kitchen. We created the most magical eggnog cookies ever. These eggnog cookies are not just cookies. They are little bites of holiday cheer. Put on your holiday playlist, grab your apron, and let's dive into eggnog cookies. Get ready to embark on a delicious adventure, because the magic of our cookies begins with the ingredients. Each component is a star player, bringing its unique charm to the table, and together, they create the ultimate holiday delight. Indulge in the excitement of crafting the perfect treat that will leave everyone wanting more. Each ingredient is chosen for its unique contribution to taste and texture, ensuring every bite is a delightful experience. First, we have all-purpose flour. This is our base and provides the structure. Measure it correctly. Too much can make the cookies dense, while too little can make them fall apart. Next, we have the star of our show, eggnog. It adds a rich, creamy flavor and a hint of holiday spice. High-quality eggnog will make a noticeable difference, elevating the taste to a new level. Then there's sugar, both granulated and brown. The combination creates the perfect balance of sweetness and chewiness. Granulated sugar gives a crisp texture, while brown sugar adds moisture and depth. Butter is another key player. It gives the cookies a buttery richness and helps them spread just right. Make sure it's at room temperature for the best results. Remember the spices. Nutmeg and cinnamon are essential for the classic eggnog taste. They add warmth and a festive aroma that fills the kitchen. Finally, we have vanilla extract and a touch of salt. They enhance all the other flavors, making each bite a delight. The vanilla adds a sweet, floral note, while the salt balances the sweetness. With our ingredients ready, it's time to mix up the magic. Let's move on to the next step and see how these ingredients combine to create something truly special. With our delicious ingredients ready, it's time to unite them in a flavorful masterpiece. Let's get cooking. Start by creaming the butter and sugars. Use a mixer at medium speed until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step is crucial for creating a soft and tender cookie. Next, add the eggnog and vanilla extract. Mix until everything is well combined. The batter may look curdled, but don't worry. That's normal. It's just the eggnog working its magic. In a separate bowl, whisk together the dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, salt, nutmeg, and cinnamon. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture. Mix on low speed until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough cookies, so be gentle. The dough will be thick and slightly sticky. This is precisely our goal. Our dough is now ready for chilling. This step helps the flavors meld and makes the dough easier to handle. Let's jump right into the exciting details. Chilling the dough is essential in creating perfect cookies. It enhances the flavor and texture, ensuring a delightful treat. It allows the flavors to develop fully and makes shaping the cookies easier and more consistent. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap to keep it fresh, and place it in the refrigerator for at least an hour. If you're in a hurry, you can chill it for 30 minutes in the freezer, but the refrigerator method is preferred for best results. While the dough chills, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, equivalent to 175 degrees Celsius. Line your baking sheets with parchment paper to ensure even baking and easy removal of the cookies. This will prevent the cookies from sticking to the sheet and make cleanup a breeze, saving time and effort. Once the dough is thoroughly chilled, portion it out evenly using a cookie scoop or a tablespoon. Roll each portion into a ball with your hands and place it on the prepared baking sheet. Leave about 2 inches between each cookie to allow for spreading during baking. For an extra festive touch, you can roll the dough balls in cinnamon and sugar before baking, adding a delightful crunch and flavor. We are ready to shape our stars or any other fun shapes you prefer. This is where the fun begins. Get creative and enjoy the process with family and friends. Get ready to dive into the thrilling adventure of shaping the stars. Shaping the cookies is a fun and creative process. Use a cookie cutter for festive shapes, or press the dough balls with a fork for a classic look. Flatten the dough balls slightly before cutting out shapes if you're using a cookie cutter. For a simple yet charming look, press a fork into the top of each dough ball, creating a crisscross pattern. This step adds a decorative touch and helps the cookies bake evenly. If you prefer, you can also gently flatten the cookies with the bottom of a glass. For an extra festive touch, sprinkle the cookies with colored sugar or holiday-themed sprinkles before baking. This adds a bit of sparkle and makes the cookies even more magical. After shaping and decorating our cookies, it's time to bake them to golden perfection. We've perfected the art of baking, transforming our treats into golden masterpieces. Baking the cookies is where the magic happens. Place the baking sheet in the oven and bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Keep an eye on them. You want the edges to be slightly golden, but the centers to remain soft. Every oven is different, so start checking the cookies at the 10-minute mark. If they are not quite ready, give them another minute or two. After you pull the cookies out, they will continue to cook a bit on the baking sheet, so don't overbake them. Once done, remove the baking sheet from the oven and let the cookies cool for a few minutes. This helps them set up and makes them easier to transfer. After a few minutes, move the cookies to a wire rack to cool completely. Now that our cookies are baked to perfection, it's time to add the icing on the cake. The ultimate game changer, topping it off with the perfect finishing touch. The icing adds the final touch of magic to our cookies. Mix powdered sugar with a bit of eggnog for a simple yet delicious glaze. Start with 1 cup of powdered sugar and add eggnog a teaspoon until you reach the desired consistency. It should be thick but pourable. Drizzle the glaze over the cooled cookies. You can use a spoon or a piping bag for more control. For an extra festive touch, sprinkle some nutmeg or holiday sprinkles on top of the glaze. The glaze will harden as it sets, leaving a beautiful, glossy finish. You can add food coloring to the glaze if you want to be creative. Red and green are perfect for the holidays. You can also use different piping tips to create intricate designs. Let your imagination run wild. With our cookies beautifully decorated, let's explore some tips and tricks to make them truly unique. Discover these exciting tips and tricks for creating unique cookies that will wow your taste buds. Here are some tips and tricks to elevate your baking game and make your eggnog cookies stand out. First, add a rum or rum extract to the dough. This simple addition can make a world of difference. This enhances the eggnog flavor and adds a bit of holiday cheer, making your cookies taste even more festive. Another idea is to mix in some white chocolate chips or chopped wild for extra texture. These ingredients add a delightful crunch and richness. For a fun twist, you can sandwich 2 cookies with a layer of eggnog-flavored frosting. This not only looks impressive, but also tastes heavenly. This creates a decadent treat that's perfect for gift-giving. Imagine your loved one's joy when they receive these special cookies. Another tip is to use cookie stamps to imprint festive designs onto the dough before baking. This adds a personal touch and makes your cookies look professionally made. If you want to make the cookies ahead of time, the dough can be frozen for up to 3 months. This is a great way to save time during the busy holiday season. Roll the dough into balls and freeze them on a baking sheet. This method ensures that the dough balls don't stick together. Once frozen, transfer the dough balls to a zip-top bag. Label the bag with the date and type of cookie for easy identification. When you're ready to bake, you can just pop them in the oven straight from the freezer. There is no need to thaw, making it super convenient. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with different spices. Spices can transform the flavor profile of your cookies. A pinch of cardamom or ginger can add an interesting twist to the classic eggnog flavor. These spices bring warmth and depth to your cookies, making them unique. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed making these eggnog cookies as much as we did. They are the perfect treat for holiday gatherings, gift-giving, or just enjoying with a cup of hot cocoa by the fire. We would love to see your creations. Share your eggnog cookies with us on social media and in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more sweet treats. You can also ring the notification bell for updates on upcoming Christmas and holiday desserts. Remember, the magic of baking is in the joy it brings. Thank you for being part of this experience. Until next time. Happy baking!